Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This video is a 6th grade math video, and today we'll be doing 1.3. Lesson 1 is called Numerical Expressions and Factors, and 1.3 is called Order of Operations. Lots of people has asked me to do this video, and here it is. So, as you can see, the screen is bigger, and I'm actually doing this video on Big Ideas Math. And if you're wondering why, it's because I decided to do videos on my computer now where I can access Big Ideas Math while I do it. So, if you like this way better than recording it on my phone, then leave a like. Every like, one like equals one vote. So if you like this video, that means that you like this way. You want me to do my videos on the computer. But if you dislike this video, that means that you don't like this way. And that means that you want to go back to me recording it on my phone. So do that for me. Like or dislike this video, and by the time I post the 6th math video, I will take a look at all the likes and dislikes this video got, and whichever one got more, I will do that one. So don't forget to leave a like or leave a dislike. I hope that you leave a like. But, if you don't like this, then, by all means, put a dislike. So, in order of operations is known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS. And if you're wondering, well, Rishi, what is PEMDAS? I will tell you. So, in PEMDAS, each letter stands for a word and which operation we do first, which is why it's called order of operations. It tells you which way you should do the operation and in which order. So, the order which we should do it in is first we should solve the parentheses, as it says right over here. P is for parentheses. So first, we should solve the parentheses. Whatever is inside the parentheses, we solve first. Next, we solve any exponents. Then after that, we multiply and divide from left to right. What that means is that let's say that we have the problem 2 times 4. Well, there are no parentheses. There is no exponent, so we move on to the M and D. So let's say that we have 2 times 4 divided by 3, or 4 divided by 3 times 2. Let's go with the first example. We would multiply or divide from left to right. So, since the M comes first, if you're looking at it this way, multiplication first, 8 divided by 3 is, so the answer is 8 over 3. I'm not going to divide that. And when we do this problem, multiplication is first, so we do that first. Wrong. It's multiplication and division from left to right. And we start with division. So actually we do division first. It's from left to right. So first we would do 4 divided by 3 times 2. And I'm not going to do all of that stuff now. But you get the point. That's what it means by saying multiply and divide from left to right. After you multiply and divide from left to right, the last step is to add and divide. Or not add and divide, but add and subtract from left to right. So that's the same thing. Remember, from left to right, either one can go first. It just matters which order it's in. So now we know what PEMDAS stands for. Now we can actually get into solving some problems. So let's take a look at this first problem. Evaluate 12 minus 2 times 4. Well, first we have to do our parentheses. No parentheses. Exponents. There are no exponents. So now we multiply and divide. Well, there's multiplication, so we do that first. We do 2 times 8, or 2 times 4, not 2 times 8. 2 times 4, which is 8. So now we have 12 minus 8, as shown right over here. And then we do 12 minus 8, which leads down to our answer 4. So far, so good. And we've got everything down. Let's move on to this next problem. This time the answer is covered up. So the problem is going to be 7 plus 60 divided by 3 times 5. So first, parentheses. Oh, look, we have parentheses. So we do parentheses first. We do 3 times 5, which is 15. Now we have 7 plus 60 divided by 15, since we solve what's in the parentheses. Exponents, none of them. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes, we have division. So we'll do 60 divided by 15, which gets 4. So now we have 7 plus 4, and we have addition. So we do 7 plus 4, which equals 11. And uncover answer, we got it right. It's 11. So now we can do one last problem before I give you the practice problems down here. So let's see here. We have 30 divided by 7 plus 2 to the power of 3 times 6. So first we do parentheses. Now this time there's an exponent inside the parentheses. That doesn't mean that we skip the exponent. We still do the exponent. So we just solve what's in the parentheses. We first, in the parentheses, we can also do order of operations all over again. Is there parentheses inside the parentheses? Sometimes there can be, so you have to solve the parentheses inside the parentheses. Is there exponents inside the parentheses? Yes, so we first solve that exponent. And 2 to the power of 3 is basically 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So it's going to be 7 plus 8 in the parentheses now. Now, is there multiplication or division in the parentheses? No. Addition or subtraction? Yes. So we do 7 plus 8 to get 15. Now that we're out of the parentheses, we can do it all over again. We did the parentheses. There's no exponents, but now there's multiplication and division. And from left to right. Remember that keyword. So we do it from left to right. So we have 8 and 15. So first we do 30 divided by 15, which is 2. So we get 2. And then finally we do multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12. Also, you guys, to record this on my computer, for some reason, it only lets me record 10 minutes. So there will be a part 2 of this video. So remember to check out the part 2. So now it's time for us to do the practice problems. So the practice problems are down here. So go ahead and do those. And so basically pause the video here and solve the practice problems. So there are your practice problems, and pause the video here. Okay, hopefully you have solved the practice problems, because now we're going to solve them. The first one is 7 times 5 plus 3. So I'm actually going to go to my notes, 7 times 5 plus 3. Open up my notes. And it's 7 times 5 plus 3. So, is there parentheses? No. Exponents? No. PEMDAS? Is there multiplication and division? Yes. So we do the multiplication, 7 times 5, which is 35. So now we have 35 plus 3 multiplication. There is no division. And do we have addition and subtraction? Yes, we have addition. So then we do 35 plus 7, which is going to be 42. So our answer is 42. So our answer is 42. Okay, so since our answer is 42, we can write the first one as 42. Okay. And you guys, I'm ending my 10-minute limit. So I will be making a part 2. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell.